My name is Andrew and I'm from Manchester, and my course is International Business Law and I'm a master's student. I chose to study at Aberystwyth mainly because of the high student satisfaction rate. It was really high here, and the master's course, it gives you something different to other students and hopefully it allows you to be more employable. I applied over the internet. It's like a step-by-step guide to applying, which is really straightforward. Quite a lengthy process, but you can save it and go back to it. We cover all aspects of business law, and some that I didn't expect to cover as well. It's a big step up, but it's manageable. Like, the staff really help you with that. The main difference in that is it's the amount of individual work that you have to put into it. First up, we don't have lectures as such, which is a lot different from the undergraduate degree. We do seminars with 4 of us, and you're expected to have done the reading beforehand, and you're expected to, when you turn up for seminars, to be prepared to have a real in-depth discussion about that week's subject. The law department has its own library, which is really good. You know where all the books are going to be, and you know that you can go in there and study, and it's really nice. There's always computers available, and we have the National Library here as well, which is great. If you can't find books in the university library, which doesn't happen very often, you can always contact the National Library and they'll be able to find the sources that you need. We have the Arts Centre here, which is completely different to anywhere else I've been actually. There's like theatre in there, and cinema, and shops and cafes, which is really nice. And the student union is really good as well. Always have different events on. I have a career development loan, which is very similar to a student loan that you get during your undergraduate degree. However, it's more closely related to a typical bank loan. You get it through the bank rather than through the government. However, whilst you're studying, the government pays the interest that you're accumulating, but as soon as you finish, you have to start paying that back straight away, whereas the student loans, you don't have to start paying it back until you're earning a certain amount of money, and then it comes straight out of your wages. The banks are really accommodating, and also you get to choose how much you want and for how long you want to pay it back for. I couldn't have done this master's degree without that. It's a beautiful place to live. Nice sunny day, you're right next to the beach. It's a really small town, which makes it a nice local community. Everybody's really friendly. Wherever you go, people will say hello to you if you walk into shops, etc. Firstly, I definitely recommend doing a postgraduate degree of any sort, and I would definitely recommend doing a postgraduate degree at Aberystwyth, especially in the Department of Law.